All right, so we made it home, and let's check it out. Let's check it out. Oh, let's grab Xavier his gift. Xavier, here, buddy.
Yeah, I don't think any of them need to see the front yet, because that's classified. Even though they can all look it up, but like.
All right. So since you already got your OG Switch, you can get Xavier get the OG
down.
Switch.
You're not getting that. Not right now. Oh yeah, you're not getting it anyways. Alright, so what you get is right here. Do you think he's ready?
I don't know. He should be.
Hold on, let me flip this. Okay. No! So what you get is... No, they can't see the front.
They've already seen the front, buddy.
Oh yeah, it doesn't matter though. But, here.
Oh man.
Mouse. I know they've seen the front, like...
I don't know if it's wireless.
Yes.
I just saw it up there on the shelf
wireless.
up there, so I grabbed it. EVGA mouse.
It's wireless.
It might be wireless like that one.
Just read the box. Literally right there.
All right. So you got your own OLED. Turn around, let's see the front end. Get a smile. Are you happy?
Yeah.
You waiting? You ready for the game to come out?
Yeah.
I know we got a little bit longer for the game.
Why?
A little bit longer. Go ahead and open it up, buddy. Is it how to replace your yellow switch?
Yes. After spending hundreds of dollars. I don't know how many dollars actually. It's like 400, right?
Yeah, don't worry about it.
I'm not gonna mess this box up, as in I'm not trying to, because I won't.
We'll put the box over there with the other boxes.
This box is too legendary.
That's right.
Oh, that looks so good! Those Joy-Cons! Does it open anymore? No, I probably won't try that. These Joy-Cons, though.
Thought maybe you would like that one better than the Pokemon. I still like the Pokemon OLED, but
I'll open this with the screen. Oh. There's not much on the back of this.
nah.
It's just these little like circles and it looks like ancient.
Yeah, I can't really see that on the camera with the bag.
Oh.
Yeah, you gotta take it out of the bag.
Oh, you know we gotta open the rest of the box.
Yeah, we gotta check out the dock.
What is that? Oh. Just leave that in there. We don't need that. Not right now, at least. Alright, so obviously I'm gonna do the lame thing and get the wires out first, because the dock looks amazing. Oh yeah, another charger. We need that.
Yeah, we done left chargers over people's houses, lost chargers. You know that's the Joy-Con grip. You know how they never...
Oh, the other grip. Why are they white, man?
Let's see how those look.
But they got a golden strap.
Oh, that's sweet.
Alright, how does this look? Is it any different or is it normal? It's normal, sadly. Oh, why? They could have put some designs on this, made it gold.
Yeah, they could have put
stuff.
like gold.
Even though this
circles.
Switch would have been way cooler if they did that. Alright. Well, it's time. No, it's not. Which one should we take out first?
Do
The
whatever you
dock,
want to do.
these, or that?
It don't matter. You gotta take everything out of the bag to set it in the dock. So you might as well unbag it.
Let's see the switch first. A silk smooth new screen.
Oh yeah.
Feel that.
Oh, you can feel it. It's got like texture. Oh wow. Now that's. I don't know if the Pokemon one's like that or if the
No one pushes it like that.
Splatoon one is like that.
Hold on, feel the back of that one.
Yeah, it's just normal, just smooth, and mine's all greasy from me taking it to work and stuff. Our new game that we had bought recently is this Car X Drift Racing Simulator. We played at crossplay with the Xbox.
This new silky smooth screen.
Yeah,
Ooh.
but you can feel it's got like
You
grates
can
on
feel
the back.
I want one.
You want a Zelda one or you want the
You're not
Splatoon
getting
one?
a Zelda one, no. I'm not getting these confused.
Oh, yeah,
You
that
can
new
have
mouse
it. You can have the
is-
other one.
Wireless?
No,
Oh, it's not?
no. It's
Oh.
big.
It's big? Like, what do you mean big?
There's textures.
There's texture on that?
Not really, but the back is.
Let me see. Oh, look at the gold buttons there. That's sweet.
Oh yeah.
That's a different, like, white than the regular OLED white.
Look on the back too. There's these little symbols.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what that's for.
Maybe that's in the game.
Look at this.
I'm not for sure. That's a really cool controller. That gold is cool.
Look.
Yeah, that mouse is nice.
It's a bacon mouse.
Mm-hmm. It's not that big.
Oh, it's just-
It's so perfect.
I'm glad, buddy.
Oh. All right, I'm gonna put these on and then I'm getting the dock out.
All right, let's get the dock out. Oh yeah, those look pretty cool. I like that.
Oh yeah, it's the new white too.
Yeah, this is a way different white than the OLED's white, but that gold strapping is really cool. I like the way that looks. That's sweet. Oh, I thought they would have put gold buttons here. I just did the black there.
Yeah. Did I put it on too far?
Might have went on backwards. Yeah, if it's doing that, it's on
Oh wait,
backwards.
this is plus. Oops, I didn't read it.
Nope, the other way down. Yep, like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you guys haven't used those in years. All them pro controllers and stuff.
Ooh,
Oh, I got you
that's
a.
bigger.
I got you. Amazon's coming. I got you a case.
Look, this is bigger though.
No, same size, buddy.
No, it's not.
Yeah, I gotta find one of the little black ones around for the other switches.
These things are always hard to get off. Well, now we've seen those. We've seen that. We gotta put these back on. Because we've all seen that. We don't really care about the controller because we've already seen that multiple times. If the controller had color, I would do it, but like, no, it doesn't look great. That's one hefty dock. Why is it so heavy? Alright. I can already tell this is going to look good.
Yeah.
I can see gold.
Now, this is like a belated birthday gift because I tried to find him the Splatoon when it came out on day one launch. I tried to get him the Pokemon one on day one launch, but with finances and stuff, it just wasn't working. But when this one was released, I went up to GameStop and we just paid it off right then and there. I was like, I gotta get it for them, you know.
I think we hesitated one day, or we didn't know if it was out or for pre-order, and then we got it the next day.
Yeah, we were just like, bump it.
Oh, I can tell that looks good. All right, how's the back? Hold on. It's gotta look good though. It's gotta look good for the opening.
There you go. You got it right. All right, now flip it up. How would it like that? Let's go to VR. Oh man, that looks really good. Is it like shiny like a Pokemon, or is that textured? It's just smooth.
It's really smooth.
Yeah.
It's smoother than that.
I said it don't have like the rough feeling on it. Yeah.
Ooh.
That's got like a rough feeling. Oh wow. That's super smooth. It's like a cover almost on top. Like there's like a plastic cover over the top of that. Oh, there's some designs on the back too. Okay, so they didn't leave the back empty. I like the Pokemon one did the little
look,
Pokeball.
there's a new symbol right here, I think.
Nope, they just moved the Nintendo Switch. Wait a minute.
Is that new?
There's no Nintendo Switch there. Yeah. So that dock it's not just a reprint. It's an actual different dock. Okay. All right.
Can you open the back?
Flip that. You remember you pull it
No, I never.
Yeah, it just like pulls out.
That looks kind of different.
No, it's the same. You just get an Ethernet port now instead of the version 1 dock. Like if you go look at the old, yeah, there's an Ethernet port now, right there.
Oh, is that what LAN is?
Yeah, LAN. That means for LAN port. Yeah, so the OLED dock is a little bit different, and it's got rounder corners than the original OG dock. If you go grab our OG dock that's in your room, you can tell the difference between the OLED dock.
So smooth.
Yeah, but they moved the Nintendo system up. I don't have my back door on my dock. My back door is somewhere on the floor. All right, you guys. This is gonna be the end of part 2's vlog for today. Oh, ironfish. Me mining ironfish. Right now, we are mining Caspa. So we got the rig mining Caspa right now, and ironfish keeps stopping, so I gotta learn the settings to mine ironfish. But our node wallet that keeps stopping, so I gotta get everything written right on ironfish. All right, you guys, like, share, subscribe, peace and love, God bless, and we'll see you guys in the next video. You happy, buddy?
Yeah.
All right, man.